In my point of view, I like this kind of opportunities like programs because by coming to here, I can gain a knowledge, like an experience without doing my risk, without spending decades to learn in terms of entrepreneurship, doing a work. Sometimes I can learn from people who did it and get more knowledge to do my future works.
Honestly, I'm not a professional in the entrepreneurship sphere. I don't know much of it, but after today's workshop, I got some really useful insights.
I think this time we need revolution, we need development, we need innovation. So Tiger Workshop or Hong Kong Tech 300 is all the very good project towards this time. So I will definitely recommend it.
I also have interest in entrepreneurship, which is why Tiger is an amazing opportunity for me to learn more about this field of study.
Come and join the Tiger exclusive workshop.